Okay. What is it? Thursday the 24th of June 2021, and we're here at the Grays Road, or Grey Road West End job, and Aaron, the excavator operator, is doing a great job. Hard work what we're doing. We've moved a couple of styes through so he can now excavate. Oh, sorry, pardon me. Food coming back. So you can excavate around the styes, and getting ready. Hopefully we can drill some holes tomorrow. We'll see how we go. He's been excavating for a week now. So say hello, Aaron. Say hello, Aaron. You're on video, my friend. Say hello. Say hello to all those people up there.
Hey, hey.
How you going? All right. So we go through. He's still cleaning up down there, but he's gone through. You can see where we've gone through. Look at this excavation on this. You can see the layers of fill. There's the original ground layer. Then there's a layer of ash, and another layer of fill, and another layer of ash and fill, and more ash that goes up. It's been filled a few times, this site, as it goes up to the road. So yeah, keeps it busy. Jeff's busy, the builder, getting all the fence out of the way, because Aaron's got to dig all this out yet. Not today. So go through. Hopefully we'll do some holes tomorrow, and maybe if we're lucky put some stumps in the ground on Monday, and pour on Tuesday. And Wednesday I've got to be somewhere else. But yeah, he's going to take all this out this afternoon. We'll see how he goes when we come back tomorrow. But no, he's doing a good job, Aaron. First time I've seen him on a job, and yeah, he's an excellent excavator operator. Look forward to working with him again sometime. Alrighty, we're packing up. We're out of here. That's all we can do today. But yeah, let's clean that up nicely. Alright guys, thanks for joining us. Please, if you get the chance, that little like button at the bottom there, give that a hit, would you? Be much appreciated. And we'll catch you again soon. See you. Bye.